In this picture we can see a catalytic converter fitted to a vehicle engine. We know that vehicle engines are internal combustion engines. We know very well that these internal combustion engines are fueled by petrol or by diesel. During the combustion of these fuels, a lot of pollutants are released. So, we use a device known as catalytic converter, which is an exhaust emission control device that reduces toxic gas and pollutants in exhaust gas from an internal combustion engine into less toxic pollutants by catalyzing a redox reaction. Automobile combustion process generate large quantities of carbon dioxide and water. Significant amount of carbon monoxide and unburned hydrocarbons are also produced due to insufficiency of combustion process. Nitrogen oxides are also produced due to high temperature reaction between N2 and O2 of air. The quantity of each pollutant varies with the air-to-fuel ratio used. Carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons can be reduced by oxidizing them to carbon dioxide and water, while nitrogen oxides is reduced to N2. Catalytic converters are generally of 10 to 12 cm diameter and 7 to 10 cm long. Converter is made of 4 types materials. First one is stainless steel container. Second one is ceramic monoliths having honeycomb-like structure. Third one is washcoat. Fourth one is catalytic material. Ceramic monoliths provide support to the catalytic material. These monoliths have large open frontal area, approximately about 70%, and result in low pressure drops and unrestricted flow. The monoliths are usually made of cordierite. Cordierite is magnesium aluminosilicate. The formula is given in the picture. These monoliths consist of parallel open channels which look like honeycomb. Monoliths used in automobiles contain 60 to 65 cells per centimeter square. Now we discuss about washcoat. A washcoat is a carrier for the catalytic materials and is used to disperse the materials over a large surface area. Aluminum oxide, titanium dioxide, silicon dioxide, or a mixture of silica and alumina can be used. The catalytic materials are suspended in the washcoat prior to applying to the core. Washcoat materials are selected to form a rough, irregular surface, which greatly increases the surface area compared to the smooth surface of the bare substrate. This in turn maximizes the catalytically active surface available to react with the engine exhaust. The coat must retain its surface area and prevent sintering of the catalytic metal particles even at high temperatures 1000 degrees Celsius. Now we discuss about the catalytic material. Platinum and rhodium are used as active catalysts. Platinum is active for oxidation reactions but also converts nitrogen oxides to ammonia. Rhodium is active for reduction and involves in the reduction of nitrogen oxides to nitrogen gas. The catalyst used in converter is called as three-way catalyst. Catalytic material mainly contains 3 components. First one is active metal. Generally precious metals like platinum, rhodium are used as active metals. Second one is support. Cerium oxide and aluminium oxide is used as a support. Third one is stabilizer. Lanthanum oxide or barium oxide is used as stabilizer. Ceria acts as oxygen storage component and liberates or absorbs oxygen during air-to-fuel perturbations according to the following reactions. Ceria also acts as stream reforming catalysts. Hydrogen gas released in this reaction reduces a portion of nitrogen oxides to nitrogen gas. Internal structure of catalytic converter looks like as shown in this picture.